Actions, you're respecting her character. Something deeper than surface-level compliments in the red pill world. We know that actions speak louder than words. It's about recognizing what's real, not what's flashy. Her thoughtfulness is a reflection of her integrity, and that's something that stands the test of time. This is the kind of woman who doesn't just play the game for herself. She's someone who genuinely adds value from a Stoic perspective. We admire virtue. Stoicism teaches us to recognize what truly matters, living a life of integrity and caring for others. So when you acknowledge her thoughtfulness, you're not just recognizing a trait, you're honoring strength. This is a woman who embodies value, and that's something worth appreciating. Compliment number 6S. I love how driven you are. Your sense of purpose is seriously inspiring. Let's face it, ambition isn't just about chasing money or status. It's about the fire in your gut that pushes you to keep grinding, keep moving forward. No matter how hard life gets in today's world of instant gratification, the ones who stay focused on their mission, who wake up every day with a sense of purpose, stand out. When you tell a woman, I love how driven you are, you're acknowledging something deeper than just her hustle. You're recognizing her passion, her grit, and her refusal to settle for mediocrity in a society where so many people just float through life waiting for things to happen. She's out there making things happen, and that's rare. You're telling her that you see the effort, the late nights, the sacrifices, the non-stop grind. You're saying, I see you pushing yourself to reach your potential, to build something real. That's not just a compliment. It's compliment number 8. Recognition. It tells her that her drive. Compliment Tier 8 is noticed, respected, and admired, and in a world full of superficial interactions that hits hard. We live in a world where so many are content with just getting by, stuck in a comfort zone, afraid to break out. But a woman who's driven isn't afraid to chase her vision. She's out here with purpose, breaking barriers and making things happen, and when you call that out, you're telling her that she's different. You're telling her she's not just some passing distraction. She's a force to be reckoned with in the red pill space. We understand that drive is key. Men and women alike need that fire to thrive. Without it, you're just another face in the crowd. But when someone has that purpose, that's a person who has true value. And as a Stoic, you recognize that true virtue lies in commitment to one's mission in the relentless pursuit of excellence. Complimenting her drive isn't just flattering, it's acknowledging her strength. It's honoring the fact that she's living intentionally, building something real in a world of distractions. Compliment number 8. You have this incredible way of making people feel comfortable and truly valued. Let's talk about emotional intelligence, that rare, almost magical ability to make others feel like they truly matter, in a world full of people constantly trying to prove their worth or make themselves seem more important than they are. Someone who has this gift stands out. You've seen it. It's that person who walks into a room and instantly changes the energy. They don't need to say much. Their presence alone makes people feel at ease, like they've been accepted for who they truly are. No facades required. When you tell a woman you have this incredible way of making people feel comfortable and truly valued, you're pointing out something that most people overlook. It's not just about being pretty or having a nice smile. This is deeper. This is about the impact she has on others. It's about how she lifts people up, how she creates a space where others can breathe and be real without fear of judgment. Let's get real for a second. How conclusion? Many people do. You know who make others feel seen? Most people are conclusion too wrapped up in themselves, their own insecurities, their need for validation, that they can't help others feel good about themselves. But someone who's emotionally intelligent, she knows how to navigate human emotions, how to read a room and adjust her energy accordingly. Here's where the brutal truth hits in today's world. Being able to connect on a deeper level is a superpower. And when you point that out to a woman, you're not just complimenting her looks, you're recognizing her value in a world that often values the superficial over the profound. And let's be honest, who doesn't want to feel seen? Who doesn't crave that feeling of being truly understood from a Stoic perspective? This compliment also touches on the virtue of empathy. The Stoics believed in the importance of understanding others, recognizing their humanity, and fostering meaningful relationships based on mutual respect. To make others feel truly valued requires wisdom and self-awareness. And that's what you're acknowledging when you offer this compliment. You're not just recognizing her ability to connect. Changed her mind, she doesn't feel the loss completely, but when she sees you actually moving forward, focusing on yourself, leveling up and not waiting around for her, that's when she starts feeling truly powerless. She can't just text you and expect an instant response. She can't just post a picture and assume you'll react for the first time. She realizes she's no longer in control of the situation. 9. The situation when a woman loses certainty about her ability to get you back. When a woman loses certainty about her ability to get you back, her attraction often spikes. Now she's the one who has to figure out how to regain your attention. She's the one who has to chase for once. And that's when she truly starts wanting you back. 10. When she starts sending mixed signals. At this stage, she's feeling confused. So she tries to test the waters. She won't fully confess her feelings yet, but will send out signals to see how you react. She might like one of your posts, randomly message you out of nowhere, pretending it's by accident, or post things designed to get your attention. Here's what you need to understand. This isn't about fixing things. This is her checking if she still has power over you and if you react too quickly. If you start texting her back right away, or get excited that she's paying attention again, she'll feel like she's you back too easily, and the cycle repeats itself. So instead of falling for her breadcrumbs, stay patient. If she truly wants to come back, she needs to prove herself. She needs to put in real effort, because you're not looking for games, you're looking for genuine change. 11. When she finally tries to get you back, if you've remained strong and detached, this is where she makes a real move. She won't just send a random message. She'll start showing real regret. She might bring up the past, try to explain herself, or even apologize, something she swore she'd never do at this point. You have all the power, because now it's no longer about what she wants. It's about what you want. You get to decide. Do you let her back in? Do you keep moving forward? Do you set new standards that she has to meet? The truth is, this entire process was never about getting her back. It was about getting yourself back. And once you truly understand that, you'll never chase validation again. 12. When she tries to make you jealous. At this stage, she's getting desperate. She realizes she no longer has a grip on you, and that scares her. So what does she do? She tries to trigger an emotional reaction by making you jealous. She posts pictures with other guys, comments on another man's posts, and suddenly seems happier than ever. But here's what you need to understand. This is all for show. She's not doing this because she's genuine moved on. She's doing this because she wants you to react. She wants to see if you'll text her out of jealousy. She wants to see if she still has an emotional effect on you. But a man who truly understands his value doesn't take the bait. He stays focused on his own path, because the moment you show her that her games don't affect you, she'll start to realize that she's the one who's losing, and instead of feeling in control, she'll be stuck wondering why. While you're not playing along. 13. When she starts overcompensating. At this point, she's feeling the pressure, her usual tactics, making you jealous, sending mixed signals, or testing you aren't working, and now she's feeling the consequences of losing you. That's when she starts overcompensating. She might suddenly become extremely nice to you, acting as if nothing ever happened. She might start liking every single post you make just to get your attention. She might even send long, heartfelt messages trying to rebuild the connection. But here's where most men make a mistake. They get excited too quickly. They see her effort as a sign that she wants them back for real. But in reality, she just wants reassurance. She wants to know that she can still have you if she changes her mind. So before you get too caught up in her sudden attention, ask yourself, is she showing real remorse or just panic? Is she putting in consistent effort, or is this just a temporary fix? Is she willing to rebuild the connection properly? Or does she just want to fall back into her comfort zone? Because if she's not proving her sincerity, then all she's doing is playing a short-term game, and you're playing for long-term value. 14. When she hopes you'll be friends now. If all else fails, she might throw out one last attempt to keep you in her life. She'll suggest being friends. But here's what you need to understand. She's not doing this because she values your friendship. She's doing this because she wants to keep you around as a backup option. Think about it. If she truly wanted you as just a friend, she wouldn't act strange when you stop responding. She wouldn't get jealous when she sees you doing better without her. She wouldn't be constantly checking on you to see if you've moved on. This isn't about friendship, it's about keeping you. You're recognizing the strength it takes to be vulnerable, open, and authentic in a world that demands you hide your true self. And let's be real, in the world of masculinity and red pill thinking, being real is one of the most powerful things you can be, both for yourself and for those around you. And there you have it, 8 powerful compliments that go beyond surface-level flattery. These aren't just random words to impress someone. They're about building real connections and letting her know you see her for who she truly is. If you found these compliments powerful, wait until you see the impact of the right words first thing in the morning. Click on the video popping up on your screen. No woman can ignore these 7 good morning texts, trust me. You don't want to miss this one, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time. As an emotional safety net, she wants to know that if she ever changes her mind, you'll still be there. So the question is, are you okay with being an option? If the answer is no, then you already know what to do. A high-value man doesn't settle for leftovers. If this video gave you value, make sure to like and subscribe for more. And if you want to know what happens next, the video on your screen right now is exactly what you need to watch next. Click on it, and I'll see you there.